Hello everyone, today I got a package. I'm gonna open the package and see what's inside. There's actually two packages here. Okay. Looks like they came from China. Okay. Let's see what we... oh, nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to fix a treadmill board today. Let me just see this one. I have to clean all those boxes. Let's see what we have here. Alright, I think, yeah, I'm gonna be able to fix those boards. This guy. Let me just double check. So I'm gonna swap this part number D25XB80. That's this guy over here, and I'll swap those two. I believe I checked this one and it was burned out. Let me just see if it's the same part. $250, yeah, so this is this one. And HFA Y15 BPS 60, yeah, and this is the other one. So I'm gonna try to fix this board today. I have all the parts for that. This is gonna be this guy. I always order a little bit extra just for my next repairs. Like I like to order maybe 3 or 4 extra, and then I'll call the customer today so he can grab his board. So the treadmill board will be fixed today. I'm also gonna have to look for this return board. This one I couldn't fix. It's an LG control board. I replaced one. What did I replace here? I think I replaced let me just think. I think there was a diode I replaced on this one, but it didn't fix the issue, so I'm gonna have to see what I can do with this board. The customer is okay also for me to do a research and see if I can find a used board and get a used board as well. So there's a couple options I can offer to the customer on this one. And I just got this board this morning, but there's not much information. Looks like it's just shipped out. I'm gonna have to open this board in a separate video and see what it's all about. But I'm gonna start working on the treadmill, and then I should have another board coming into the shop today. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.